I would like to toast for 2024. Cheers!
We are gathered here to celebrate success, envision future, and honor the remarkable individuals who make it all happen.
Nag-join ako sa Sonal. Si Sonal yung naging dahilan para mabuksan uli yung aking mga pangarap. Na dito ko kay Sonal, halos lahat ng pangarap ko, unti-unti ko nang nakukuha at nakakamit.
Motivation ko sa life, may biggest why ko talaga to is my family. Actually, hindi naman kami nanggaling sa marangyang buhay. Kaya kailangan, i-push ko talaga yung sarili ko na nandito na ako nasa Sonal na ako. Kumbaga, ito na yung yung big break. Kumbaga, binigay na ni Lord, kaya we push together.
Since from the personal selling na ginagawa namin, nag-start na rin na nag-start na rin akong mag-recruit para maibalik lahat ng magagandang bagay na nakuha ko dito kay Zonal. Ngayon, broker na po ako. Happy to say na and proud to say na lahat ng yon nai-aim ko para din sa pamilya ko. Second is para maibalik ko po yung magagandang bagay na nakuha ko dito kay Zonal.
Kasi kung hindi ako mahilig mag-share, hindi ko talaga siya makuha. Kasi we came from nothing. Meaning, from the scratch talaga na walang-wala. As in, nagsimula ako mag-isa noong 2018 and then naging team leader noong 2019 and then naging EVP noong 2023 na lahat ng ladder is inakyat ko with the knowledge na meron ako na ibinigay ko sa kanila. Sinalin ko sa kanila yung kaalaman ko. Kasi kung hindi ko ginawa yun, walang Jupiter sa Sonal.
I give my 100% commitment para maging successful. No blames for others, no blames for circumstances, no excuses, and no denial.
I am very grateful to have my supportive, hardworking team leaders and team members. My success is your success too. Success belongs to the doers, not the thinkers. So stop waiting, stop doubting yourself, and start doing. So here I am now. I am honored to be the new EVP of Sonal Realty with my team Mercury.
So as a leader, as a sales director, as an EVP, yung na-enhance sa sarili ko, simula nung sumali ako dito bilang isang leader, natuto ako na kung ano yung meron ka na dapat i-share mo sa team mo. Na kung ano yung knowledge na meron ka, huwag mo ipagkait sa kanila. Kung papahalagaan mo sila, hindi lang bilang isang agent, dapat ituring mo rin silang pamilya mo. Kasi nga sabi ko sa Zonal, ito yung bubuo ng pangarap mo sa Zonal, ito ang pamilya mo na tutulong sa'yo.
Nung umpisa, gusto ko lang yumaman. Ako lang. Gusto ko lang yumaman. Ganun kasimple ang pangarap. Pero, since may kasama akong 6, nagbago ang misyon. Hindi pwede ako lang. Kailangan kasama sila. And because of that, mas naging matibay yung misyon. Because it's no longer just for me. It's for the team.
Commitment, focus, flexible.
I am happy to tell you that because of this, we will be able to proceed and pursue our goals because we have already achieved a big milestone in our endeavor of being an agent. "15 years ago, kapag tinanong ka anong trabaho mo at sinagot mo, ahente ako, sasabihin nila sa'yo, wala kang trabaho. But I'm proud to tell you now, with almost certainty, na kapag tinanong kayo kung anong trabaho nyo, sasabihin nyo, ahente ako. Because nowadays, we are now recognized as a good part of society. Kumikita na tayo, guys. Better than employees. Remember, guys, especially for the top sellers, nobody delivered the most sales alone. At habang gumagaling tayo magbenta, mas kailangan natin ng tulong. And I want you to be proud for being called in this gathering because you are part of the circle of champions.